On today's video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money on CPAGRIP without investing any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this strategy. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. In our previous video, I showed you how to use the offer tools. So on this video today, I'm going to show you how to use the URL of file locker to make money on CPAGRIP. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to lock a URL so that we can get people to complete offers before they get access to the URL that we have locked. You know, obviously now we don't have a URL, so what we are going to do is that we are going to create a simple website whereby we can lock the URL of that website so that we can get the people to complete the offers for us to make money on CPAGRIP. So the next step is that we are going to search for site.google.com. Once you search for site.google.com, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on blank so that you can begin creating a simple website. Once you click on blank, we are going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is where we are going to be creating a simple website so that we can lock it on CPAGRIP. So what we are going to do is that just come right here and then give a name to your site. So in this case, I'm just going to type online training. Once you give a name to your website, the next thing is that you are going to give a title to your page. So right here, you're going to delete this default text. Once you delete the default text, just type make money online. Just something like this. Once you type your title, you're going to highlight it. Come right here and you're going to make it bold. Once you make it bold, you are going to increase the font size. So just click on it and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, select 72. As you can see, that has been done. So now we are going to make it straight, so just drag it backwards and you can see that that has been done. So now we have a title for our website. We also have the name of our website. So the next thing is that we are going to add an image to the background so that it can look nice. So just come right here, click on change image. Once you click on that, click on select image. Once you click on select image, you can search for an image on Google so that you can use it. You can also enter a URL of an image so that you can use it as a theme for your website. You can also come here Google Drive and you are going to upload an image that you have saved in your Google Drive. But in this case, I'm just going to search through the gallery and then select an image. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see many images. I prefer this one, so just select it. Click on select so that it will be uploaded right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that you are going to come right here, click on themes. Once you click on that, you are going to select one of them. As you can see, you can select any of these themes, so just select the one that you like. I'm going to select level. So as you can see, that has been done. You can change the color of this line right here. You can play around with the colors and select the one that you like. Right now we have designed our website. The next thing is that we are going to add content to it so that it can be relevant to the audience that we want to share it with. So just come right here, click on insert. Once you click on insert, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to see a page like this. Just type what you want to write here. So in this case, I'm going to write a complete tutorial on how to make money online for beginners. How to make money online for beginners. Just something like this. Once you write the title, you are going to highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to make it bold. Just come to the font size and then click on it. You are going to select the font size that you like. So just scroll down. I prefer 36, so just select that. As you can see, a complete tutorial on how to make money online for beginners. Now once that is done, you are going to come down right here. Once you are here, come back to the text box again, just click on it. Once you bring your text box here, you are going to type something like lesson 1. Just type lesson 1. Once you type lesson 1, you are going to highlight it and then make it bold. Once you make it bold, increase the font size so we can say 18. I think that is okay, or you can make it even higher, just say 24. Once you have this text, what you want to do is that you have to duplicate it. So in this case, we want to create a lessons on how to make money online. So it depends on the number of lessons that you want to create. I'm just going to create 4 lessons. So just come right here, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. So now I have my 4 lessons. So what you have to do is that just change the numbers. So right here, we are going to make it 2. The next one is going to be 3. And the last one is going to be 4. Now once you have this, the next thing is that you are going to add your lessons. So what we are going to do is that we are going to go to YouTube and then search for YouTube videos that shows how to make money online. So just come back to YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, you are going to search for how to make money online. Once you search for how to make money online, you can see many videos that you can use for free. You can see a whole lot of them. You can select videos that are getting a lot of views so that it will be relevant to the audience that you want to share it with. So just scroll down. You can see a lot of different videos that you can use. So what you are going to do is that just come right here, click on the video that you want to use. You can see this video has got a lot of views, so it means it is very relevant to the audience. So just click on the video. Once you click on the video, you are going to come right here, click on share. Once you click on share, you are going to click on embed. Once you click on that, you are going to get the embed code of the video. So just come right here, click on copy. Once you copy the code of the video, you are going to come back to your website. Just put your pointer right here, press enter. Once you press enter, come right here and then click on embed. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. Select embed code. Once you select that, you are going to paste the code right here. Once you paste the code, click on next. Because of the network, that is why it hasn't appeared yet. So just go ahead and click on insert. Once you click on insert, you can see the video has appeared right here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to repeat the same step and find a video for the lesson 2, lesson 3 and lesson 4. But I'm going to do that and come back to you right now. You are welcome back. As I scroll, you can see the website is now full of content. As you can see, I've used my own videos. It doesn't matter, you can use any video that teaches how to make money online. As you can see, the website is now full of content. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to publish this website. If you want, you can even make it appear much better than this. But the most important thing is that you should create a website that has content in it. The next thing is that we are going to publish it so that we can then get the URL of this website so that we can lock it on CPAGRIP. So what we are going to do is that just come right here, click on publish. Once you click on publish, you are going to see a page like this. So you are going to give a web address. So give any web address that you want to use. So right here, I'm going to just type free online training. That is not available. You can see free online train that is available. So if the domain is not available, just type anything that is available. The most important thing is that the website must be relevant. Once the domain is available, you are going to come right here, click on publish so that you can publish your website. As you can see, it is publishing right now. The website has been successfully published. So if you want to view your website, just come right here, click on copy link so that you can get the link of your website. You can see this is the link of your website. Click on copy right here. Once you click on copy, you are going to test it on a new tab to see how it looks like. So I'm going to just paste it right here. Just press enter so that we can see how it looks like. As you can see, this is the website. So let me scroll down for you to see. As you can see, everything in the website. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to lock this website so that we can get people to complete offers before they get access to this content. So what we are going to do is that we are going to go back to CPAGRIP. Once you come back to CPAGRIP, you are going to come right here and then click on monetization tools. Once you click on monetization tools, you are going to select URL/file lockers. So just click on that. Once you click on URL/file lockers, you are going to see a page like this. So just come right here, click on create. Once you click on create, you are going to see a page like this. Just scroll down, come right here and then select I agree to the terms of service. Once you select that, you are going to come right here, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to select a template so that you can lock the URL. So just come right here, click on templates. Once you click on templates, you can see there are many templates that you can select on this particular website. As you can see, many templates. So what we are going to do is that we are going to select the human verification. We want them to complete the offers before they can get access to the website. Once you select the template, what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on general. Once you click on general, you can see name. So here you can give a name to the file that you've locked. So just any name. So make money, that is my title. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Right here you can see locked URL. So this is where you are going to paste the link to your website so that you can lock it. So just go back to site.google so that you can copy the link to your website. Once you come back to site.google.com, just click on this link icon. Once you click on it, copy the link to your website. Once you copy the link to your website, just come back to CPAGRIP and then paste the link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to select access times. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select forever. Once that is done, you can see the number of offers that this website has to show to the audience who will click on the locked URL. So you can increase it or you can decrease it. I prefer 2 offers, so you can reduce it to 2 offers. If you want, you can increase it to 4. It depends on the number of offers that you want this website to show to the audience. So once that is done, you are going to click on show offers. Once you click on show offers, you are going to see a page like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select the countries. So just search for South Africa. Once you search for South Africa, just click on it so that you can see the offers in that country. Once you search for South Africa, you can see different offers right here that the people have to complete before they get access to the website that you've logged. You can see the payout that you are going to earn per every successful lead. So anytime you get people to complete this offer right here, you are going to earn 88 cents. You can see 86 cents, 25 cents, 13 cents. There are offers that will even pay you up to $2. You can see this offer right here. You're going to earn $2.73 anytime you get a successful lead. You can see this one, $1.02, 86 cents, 41 cents, 86 cents, 76 cents. As much as you keep on getting people to click through your link, you are going to be earning money on this website. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to click here save so that you can save the offers. Once you click on save, you are going to see a page like this. If you click here get links, you are going to get the link to the file that you've logged. So anytime people from South Africa click on the link, they are going to see offers. So once they complete the offers, you are going to be paid. So the next step is that we are going to find a traffic source whereby we can get people from South Africa to click through the locked URL and then complete the offers for us to make money on CPAGRIP. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to be using this website asafrica.co.za. So this is the website that we are going to be using today. The reason why we are using this website is that most of the traffic is coming from South Africa. So when you come on SimilarWeb, you can see the website gets up to 2 million visits per month. The most important aspect is that 92.50% of the people who visit this website are from South Africa, as you can see it right here. That means that if you advertise our link on this platform, we are going to be getting people from South Africa to click through our link and then complete the offers for us to earn money. So what we are going to do is that just come right here, click on post and ad. Once you click on post and ad, you are going to select a category that you want to post the ad. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select education learning. Once you select education learning, you are going to click on select again, and now you are going to select the type of education learning. So you can see tutoring, private lessons, you can see other lessons. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to select tutoring, private lessons. Once you select that, you are going to click on next. Once that is done, you are going to select your location. So right here, I'm going to just select any of the locations. So just select any part that you want. I'm not from South Africa, so you can just select any part. So once that is done, you are going to select, you can see the different locations. You can see Johannesburg and the many other parts. So what you have to do is that you have to select that. So I want to select Johannesburg. Once that is done, you are going to give a titles to the lesson. So right here we can see how to make money online for beginners. So just something like this. Once you have your title, the next thing is that you are going to write a description. So what you are going to do is that you are going to write some brief information about the lessons that you are going to offer to the people who click through your link. As you can see right here, this is my simple description. You can copy the same description or you can write your own description that is appropriate to the lessons that you've created. You can see I am going to expose how to start making money online for free in 2022 as a complete beginner with a brand new undiscovered strategy that is completely free to start. So just a simple description like this. Once that is done, you can see copy and paste the link below into your browser to get started. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to paste your link right here. So go back to CPAGRIP so that you can copy your link. Once you come back to CPAGRIP, just click on get links so that you can copy your links. Once you click on get links, you are going to see a page like this. So just select the domain that you want. So as you can see, there are many domains that you can select. I'm just going to select this one right here. Once you select the domain, just come right here, click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to shorten it because the link is so long and it looks ugly. So what you have to do is that you are going to search for this website bit.ly.com. Once you search for bit.ly.com, you are going to paste your link right here. Once you paste your link, you are going to just click on shorten so that it can be shorten your link. Once it shortens, you can see this is how it looks like. Click on copy so that you can copy your link. Once that is done, you are going to go back to your ad. Once you come back to your ad, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, this is the link. Now the next part is that you are going to select the offer type and the price. So just click on it so that you can select it. You can see this is an offer. Once that is done, you can see you can select a price. So in this case, we are going to make it a free lesson. So as you can see, that has been done. The next part is that you are going to upload an image of the lessons that you have created. So the next part is that you are going to enter your email address. So just enter it right here, and then your contact name. So just select the name. Once you select your contact name, the phone number is not compulsory. So if you want them to call you, you can enter that. If you don't want them to call you, just ignore it. Once that is done, click here, post the ad so that your ad can be posted onto the platform. So just click on that. Once you click on post your ad, you can see your ad has been successfully posted. You can find it here. Once your ad is posted onto the platform, you are going to follow the same steps and then create another ad so that you can post it here for free. You are not required to pay for anything. So make sure you keep on posting different ads onto this platform so that you can be making money from home on CPAGRIP.com. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.